Greetings, people. Disease alert is being live broadcasted by the World Health Organization. We are to inform you that a new virus has been discovered. Our virologists say that this new virus is highly contagious, can be transferred airborne, and currently has no cure. Something that makes it unique is that it can mutate to survive in all possible conditions, even in super cold, super hot, acidic areas, etc. It is 98% fatal once caught. The virus has been named SJDLSPMM19.87. The name is simply a cipher of the actual symptoms. Just change the letters to the letter before, like this: S is R, millimeters is L, L is K, and you ultimately get